Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ruby Storm and I'm back with another video for today. I'm gonna do a quick little unboxing with you guys. I got this new Cult Gaia bag for Christmas and I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. Neiman Marcus had like a little sale going on and one of the Cult Gaia bags was on sale and it was so cute. I was on the market for a new bag. And so I'm really glad that I was able to find this one. Cult Gaia be coming through with the bags. I also found out from Aaliyah's Face. If you guys watch Aaliyah, that's my girl. I love watching her videos. She had this like really cute dress that she wore, I think when she was in Mexico, and it was from Cult Gaia. I didn't even know that they sold clothes. So I'm like, I need to look on their website and see what clothes they have, what the clothes are giving, and maybe do a little unboxing and try on of their clothes for you guys. So I did already open up the bag, but that's okay. So it comes in this really big Cult Gaia like little duffel bag or little bag, and this is the bag. There she is. You even have the Cult Gaia logo here on the side. Truly obsessed with. This bag I feel like is gonna be like my everyday bag. This bag is called the Natural Cult Gaia Bag OS, I believe. And it's called the Malfi Shoulder. That's the name of the bag. I got this from Neiman Marcus if you guys are interested. I love the outside, like the texture, it's so different, but I know I could rock this every day just because of how neutral the color is. Also, you have like the gold details that say Cult Gaia on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says Cult Gaia on the zipper here. On the inside of the bag, it looks like there's plenty of space. My Marc Jacobs bag, the tote bag that I have, has tons of space. And so I wanted to keep that same energy with this bag because honestly, I have a lot of stuff that goes in my purse, so I need to have room. Okay, so the inside is so cute. It has like a velvet kind of texture to the inside of the bag. As you can see, there's like plenty of room inside this bag. Let's see, I think there's no zipper on the inside of the bag, which I wish there was, but that's okay. But there's plenty of room in this bag, and it comes with this little card. What's this card say? It says, this unique design is handmade by skilled artisans using exceptional materials. Slight variations are to be expected and are what make this piece unique. Perfectly and perfect. Please be gentle and take care as it is a delicate piece. Okay, thank you, Cult Gaia. Yeah, this bag is super cute. And now that I unboxed it with you guys, I can actually start rocking this bag. This is what it looks like. I could put it on the shoulder even too if I wanted, but it's more gonna be like a bag like this. I can see it already. Super cute, super cute. I also like how like at the bottom of this bag, it has like these little like emblem stands at the bottom of it. And I don't put my bag on the ground often. I try not to because I heard like that's bad luck or something. But yeah, I really like how it has these little things on the bottom for when I set my bag down. Also leather on the bottom. Yeah, I really like this bag. This bag cost originally it was $4.28, but we got it on sale. I think it was like $2.24 or something like that. So if they have them still in stock, I would rate this bag so far 8.5 out of 10. I really like the texture of it. The only concern is that I definitely do have to be careful with this bag, and I be rough with my bags. So yeah, girl. But I think it's gonna be super cute, accessible, everyday bag. And yeah, this is my new bag that I got for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed. I like doing these unboxings with you guys. I feel like you guys like them too, because the unboxings I have found like get the most views. So we might need to do more unboxings. If there's a bag out there that you guys think that like would look great for me, link it down below in the comments. I'm always in search of a new bag. I've recently in the last 2 years have become a bag girly, and yeah, I just feel like it really completes and pulls together your outfit. So yes, more unboxings to come. And I hope you guys are enjoying the new year. You're working towards those goals, achieving those goals. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you are notified when I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in the next video.